There she goes. Olsen furnace. I love doing laundry, helping out. You make a soup kitchen? You can still go. Once you put your alarm clock back on, set up the timer and shit. Don't disregard that. I was just telling myself to set my alarm clock. Get up early in the morning. There she goes. I'm gonna kick Gordon Campbell's ass. I'll kick his butt. I shoot that premier. I shoot that premier with a shotgun. What? I got a premier. What's like, yeah, right. I almost shut down the training board and not even one. I heard about that. And Gordon Campbell almost shut down the maternity ward at Lang Memorial Hospital. Fucking idiot. Vote NDP in 2013, folks. Oh, get the zoom on. Near the air whistling. Little furnace. This is the pressure intake. Well, it's supposed to go, the pipe's supposed to go from here to there. But my cousin never did it. But he got the exhaust done. This just blows out moisture. So hopefully you enjoyed the show, and I'm gonna wait till I'll keep recording. I'll keep recording, yeah. Yeah. I wanna kick Campbell down. I wanna kick Gordon Campbell down. He is a piece of shit. Yeah, man, yeah.